I've practiced Tai Chi on and off for the better part of probably close to 20 years now. And it's just a fascinating system of exercise, health system. The 5 major styles of Tai Chi that are taught, Chen being the original, Yang being the second, and the other 3 grew out of Yang style Tai Chi, which is a Wo, a Hue, and a Stun. The first part of it is learning the forms themselves gives you something to focus on learning. How do I move my body? How do I move my left leg with my right leg? How do I move my arm with my other arm? Because it's your entire body moving in unison, as opposed to like just going to the gym and isolating one muscle. This is an entire body movement. Unlike yoga, you're not holding a pose like you do in yoga. Like you'll hold downward dog for 30 seconds. You're not doing that in Tai Chi. You never stop moving in Tai Chi. You're moving from one posture and then right to the next. Once you have the choreography down, you learn the move, but then you can get better and better and better at it, which gets you sometimes out of your head and into your physical movement. And then once you know all of the routine, you can start focusing on, the breathing aspects of it. Take a deep breath in now, exhale with this move. You're just kind of in that moment, not thinking about the movement, but just doing the movement and existing kind of right then and not worried about what's for dinner, what I'm doing for work tomorrow. Exercise has been shown to improve mood, to help kind of your brain reestablish new pathways through its natural neuroplasticity. It's going to help underlying muscle strength, underlying muscle health, underlying joint health as you go through all of these motions, because it's a full range of motion exercise and it's a full body exercise as you're doing that form. As you're doing something, if you have a structured 5-second inhale followed by a 5-second exhale, which will help strengthen your lungs. Find a place you can try it at home in your house with a good YouTube video. You don't have to worry about doing the whole form. Nothing says you have to learn the entire 24 form move on day 1. Learn one move, do that for a couple of days, feel comfortable with it. Then learn a second move, then learn a third move. Go find a school to teach it to you, because they'll teach you so much more about movement and how to balance and move yourself around than you ever thought was possible. And it's a lot of fun too.